o ma adwen da agbolima any magi cube na e be ma mu nti o ma so am no kre
yeah it is saying
nyame adom na mo so e
yeso adom ye hu ye pa 5 minutes enko
eja ye be fa ne say wan say e ba say MPP aban na e wo so anka se me voter region for ye dede ena yewu akufo ado mfi yewu ena MPP mfi yewu obeka saa ma chese ade na akoye kan e di ama oman no se na ado danko akufo ado ni MPP aban empe aigbefo asem ena me ni wo kasei na ado danko akufo ado e koho emra Friday aba no odi eniama koye vice president nso ekono vice president ekono ono nso de niama koye onabo Canada Japan ekoho no nso de niama koye yembisa ye hu se sa niama ye de ko nyina no omure fi ana ye wo man mu na voter region for eyo madwin se MPP mpo masem ba bibi e wo ho bia no eye MPP na di sa adwuma no e di amomo enti ye nyina ye hwe dia ekoso no enne okujeto abrakwa wo he enye ono no ye dededede nyina se yi insho fa voter region fo eko na aban enye den emfi omo sa nkrofo no mo kika sa nsem nyina enne insho the voter region fo eko e di asem na ese omo ka e di boa voter region fo ese sa nsem na ese ebisa ho by tomre bia party no yendia party no de eya igbeni dia party ni yesei ni yetwi ye ni kura ni aka hwe niama na nado danko akufado for the past 8 years waye ediaboa voter region hwe se na nado kan say oba so poba na oba no mpewa na uda so poba no ubeye kwan obefa so saa ediapo oba no unsabeka oba no nsabeka no dia na nado danko akufado anye ma voter region dia so ye nyina ye pegya bibia na ye de ko voter region ema ye strong goal like say yetimi eye adwuma ma na enko nanim ni ya anye sa ma mo ene voter region ko Friday sisi ene okujeto abrakwa wo he ene okujeto abrakwa ye mu ontimi nka ena omunya sa advantage na no mo kika kire voter region for say ye mo magi cube ene agbulema ye ni omo awie sisi ano sa asem no mo kan no efi ansa na mahu se eye nokre ahini na president edi no oni ni nua no na edi enye ono na ebe kan se ni nua ayi no ho afi politics mu ana won kan sa e da o kan sa na ni nua no buy ye gi concession na ye di man no efi ni nsempe ni nua no kan so san ba politics mi otimi ka kire ni nua no se o ntwa so eye omo busua no omo mienu na aye omo adwin se omo pe ejapade de afi Ghana ho e de aye omo hu yie ono nti ye gi sa niam no nyina afi ni nsem no omo ko omo chi na omo hwe ha ye san ba biem a ye san betimi aka enti ese ye san twe ye hu embre mu biem ahini na odi no ni nua ni na edi ahini oni ni nua ni na edi because bibi obeko bia no okọ asensen asa djuma no odi no onu mo na odi djuma no e ma ni nua no ono ye president na enye ni nua na ye president no ni nua no de dia kata na ni se oye president but enye ono ni na ye president ni nua Ibrahim na asisi a odi ahini because se wo nua ye president ni bibia e hye Ghana omansa se wo bibia hye Ghana omansa
adenti it's working with you
adenti de betimi akofa eyi unua plane ana unua car ana unua bibi e de aye wadwuma enti saa car na ukofa no e car beba ho no na obetu Ghana na ebetu ana se unua no na efa car no free ohu se na yeti ya yesa ma ye de ye ensem a chichire ye ho ohu na differences na ewo mu no aye akoye se nkranfo na igbefo no ye the same people so what I say
nneɛma a yɛayama nkranfoɔ yɛayama igbefoɔ nyinaa MPP ayama ɔmo no yɛn nyinaa werɛ fi yɛda so di NDC akyi
yasɛm
o nkosi dabɛn ɛna ebehu hwɛ kwan a mmerɛ a election time na former general secretary Edith Kwaku Anidoho ɔnenam Volta region ɔtwa ɛde kyerɛ nia Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo atimi ayama Volta region ɔmo antimi anhwɛ ɔno so amfa nto aba ama yɛhwɛ nia Peter Mewu ɛyɛ hɔhɔe ɔmo antimi anhwɛ ɔno ho anto aba ama Peter Mewu ɔmo adwen da agbolima ɛne magi cube na yɛde bɛma ɔmo no nti ɔmo anso am no korɛ
yo
so ɔte because ɛmɔni nda ɔno so a mo yɛhwɛ dwuma MPP aban from Tama to Mpakadan.
For the first time, a train was able to cross the Volta River. For the first time in the history of Ghana.
Oh, no, promote so to about edit here MPP. I said, Ben, MPP, Yanka, by this time. See, I see a yimu.
I'm ultimatum, I'm ultimatum.
She say, or he need to be Gina Hokache, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say, or Manukosi say, ye blog no baby Aduno, one the Traswa, a dear assembly besi. And then in so did in Fano, what's in my president Ultimatum say, so one share coin of fashion, I'm a way, obey Nedi.
Yo, me that's
what's in your casa?
That's a boss.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
say so much.
So, and I'm making a review in Pacho. Why?
Pacho, you matter.
Oh, say at a point in time, me bisa say, sa 15 million na all cano. Not say 15 million no can't say sana ye beba origin no. And your facilities are wubenya, any completion of facilities, any and your ma ebeka hono muni na ka 15 million e homeboa. Eka home.
Yes, not for instance, the road I was talking about, that was done was part of that budget.
Yes. And now, say baby hono munswa omo youth resource center no na ebia enye complete say ye ba original. Just say ye ba the complete youth resource center baby a edubia.
Exactly.
Now, who says sir we say ye movie rotation, regional rotation of Independence Day. It became a competition.
Yeah.
And every region was so excited that so everybody had the chance to showcase their culture, what they have in terms of tourism, what they can do. Every region, it was absolutely amazing.
Very beautiful.
Where we started from, I think Tamale, Kumasi, Volta region, and my home region. Oh my goodness, everybody was praising it. And so it was a very good thing. And that 15 million now you see, and you have shared some economic ways, and have we been able to quantify how much economic benefit was raked in?
Sure. In Volta like this, it was considered that research showed that the benefit the people got was over 65 million Ghana cedis for that year alone, for just that match. Yeah.
Yes. So if you are putting in 15 million to be able to rake in 65 million, I will just say you've done a great job.
Yeah.
And this morning I saw a lady. I think she came over from abroad to celebrate. And I don't know whether, and she was saying that if this is how they celebrated it, and they're saying they're saving costs, she was very fluent. I think she was, I don't know whether she's an African American or she's a Ghanaian born in America. She was saying that if what you're saying is saving costs, then the people should see what the money that was saved for is used for.
Exactly.
Right? As a monumental project or something, right?
Exactly.
To remember. And the saddest thing is that I saw another video of people standing across the street at the Jubilee House. You see, people wanted to be part of it. If this thing had gone to an open space like the Independence Way, they wouldn't have to stand across the street. They couldn't see anything, but they wanted to be part of it. But
Yeah.
then because it was held there, it was strictly by invitation. Nobody could
Yeah.
go in there. And so they
Yeah.
had to stand across the street, cutting the ordinary citizen out of the Independence Day celebration.
Exactly.
Very sad. Let me just quickly just talk a little bit about this. You see, Volta Reed, you see, NDC, you person you catch on say propaganda any populism. You find your governance in a country that has enjoyed 32 years of democratic rule. So, nti saa nneɛma no a wɔyɛ no populism, minister going to sleep with cameraman over him a wɔretwa ne sɛ wɔda ɛne saa deɛ no, they should stop it. They should stop it. How many weeks ni a nsuo yi start kɔɔyɛ?
2 weeks.
Starting how yɛn nuanom wɔ voter 2 weeks ni no statement from the Jubilee House, nothing. Ɛna wɔn wɔ hɔ na TikTok ha. And I yet eradicate message and for you. Thank God for social media.
Yeah.
People were shouting and people were making videos and keeping people informed. And I yet I'm not pay you make 24 hours. People are talking about it, bashing the government. Only for you, the Mahama to go there today empty-handed. And you know, temporarily, no, a day measures na take whilst they look into the long-term solution. What did he say, voice, in his speech? What did he say? I don't listen to him because his voice irritates me. I don't want to listen to him. What did he say? Did he talk about anything?
My mother. Nothing.
And I say, move your baby tent, amamo. And I had the move classroom, ha. Your mama mattress, your mama way anyway. And a diani say, your mama, your provide this animal way. This is the short term, long term. When you baby, did he say anything like that?
No, maybe I say Monday no better. I mean, maybe a Monday.
This is very, very, very embarrassing. Very embarrassing.
Mommy, you have not seen the video where Okujeto was giving him the money to give.
No, I have not. You say I'm now going to look at 1957. I say I was TikTok too.
1957 news.
Yes, na ma kwa kohwe. Na president Wudi Sikasha Wunsem echiche. Ewo adopting. It's very embarrassing. And my last this thing will be about this security thing there. It's very disturbing, boys. Very, very disturbing. And just one thing I want to tell President John Mahama ni say, Senya ye kache na ye kano. Gradually, he's just leading himself and the country into a ditch. Nti ontie efutuo kakra. And what is going to hurt his government is putting people who are singing praises to him all around him, and nobody opposing no and ekaho. They've taken everybody that will say it right in his face out. Akam kasa yesi se wo yo hina wunti afutu a sebi se won tomati toilet na se wo di ko bejo mu a obi ani wo be ka kire you be dancing aduwa ken so now we tomati toilet now we na nipa ni. Let me just end here, voice.
Yeah, thank you so much, mommy. All right, Ajete so I saying, I'm with you who I saw. Unmute yourself.